Good morning, everyone. I am Simpy. Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, what did we study? Do you remember? We studied about the food for birds, feathers of birds, and sounds of birds. Have you remembered all the topics? And now, let's get started the further discussion. Have you seen insects? Give me some examples of insects. Where they can be found? Insects can be found almost everywhere. Even you can see in your kitchen. They can hide under our bed. So you can also see insects in your bedroom, in the kitchen. Mosquitoes, houseflies, lizards, rats, cockroach are commonly found everywhere. See, this is the diagram of an insect. How many legs have insects? They have 6 legs. It means 3 pairs of legs and 2 antennae. You can see here 2 antennae. Insects have 2 antennae, 3 pairs of legs, 6 legs. And body of the insect is divided into 3 parts. See, head, thorax, abdomen. And insect has 2 wings. Insect has also wings. Some insects cannot fly. For example, ants and caterpillars, they can fly. Some insects can fly, like dragonflies, butterflies, moths and mosquitoes. They can fly. And these are the compound eyes of insect. Now all of you have understood? How many legs does insect have? How many legs? Answer me. You can answer me in the comment section. Just answer me right now. How many antennae does insect have? Answer me. Insects cause danger to our health. Insects are not good for our health. Now see, what is this? This is a mosquito. Mosquitoes suck the blood of different kinds of animals and their bites cause diseases like dengue and malaria. Do you know this one? Their bites cause diseases like dengue and malaria. And such type of mosquitoes breed in stagnant and dirty water. Stagnant water means that water doesn't move. Lack of motion. Then mosquitoes breed in such type of water. So nearby your house there should not be a stagnant water. Otherwise bites of mosquitoes may cause disease like dengue and malaria. So keep your surrounding neat and clean. And now see, this is a housefly. It sits on the fruit. Houseflies, they cause various diseases such as diarrhea, typhoid. They pick up germs from dirty places. They sit on the dirty places. They sit on the food. They pick up germs from dirty places. Germs are stick with their body. And when they sit on the food and we eat that food, then what will happen? That germs enter our body and causes different kinds of diseases such as diarrhea, typhoid. So we should always cover our food. We should not eat uncovered food. That's why we should not eat street food. Now see, this is an insect. This is a cockroach, and cockroach also carry bacteria which cause disease like food poisoning. Food poisoning. Have you seen cockroach? Yeah, of course, you can see cockroach in your house. How many insects does cockroach have? Just give me answer in the comment section. This is an insect. So how many legs? Just answer me. Now see, look at this picture. What is this? This is a rat. And rat also spread various diseases like plague. And you can see rat in your house. Rat cuts our clothes. Now see, you have to draw the diagram of an insect like this way. See, in your notebook you have to draw the diagram of an insect, and you have to label them: head, thorax, abdomen, compound eyes, antennae. You have to do like this way. So today all of you have to draw the diagram of an insect. And now we will do the hard words of this chapter. All the topics of this chapter is completed, and there is one question for you, that spiders are not insects. Why? Why spiders are not insects? Spiders are not insects because spiders have 8 legs. Spiders do not have 6 legs, and insects have 6 legs. So spiders are not insects. Now all of you have understood that why are the spiders not insects? Because spiders have 8 legs and insects have 6 legs. So spiders are not insects. Take out your notebooks, write down the chapter number, title of the chapter, CW, date, heading, hard words, and start writing. First word is hatch. Hatch means break, open. Imitate, copy. Inhabitate means lived. Melodious, lyrical. Like coil has melodious sound. Navigate, to find directions. Nook means corner. Pose a danger means cause threat. Stagnate, still, it means lack of motion. All of you do this one. Write down the meaning of these hard words in your notebooks. Now, all of you turn page number 71. We will do the exercise of this chapter. A. Fill in the blanks. First one, horses, cows and camels move with the help of dash. What? What is the answer of this one? Move with the help of legs. All of you write down the answer in your books. Legs. Right? Next one. Birds and fish use their tails to move in a particular direction. Write down here, direction. Then next one, all of you are writing. Write down in your notebooks. Next, hummingbirds drink what? Nectar. Hummingbirds, they drink nectar. Now see, all of you have done. Okay. Write down first one, legs. Then write down direction, and then write down nectar. Hummingbirds drink nectar. Now do number 4. Dash feathers keep the birds warm. Down feathers. Answer is down feathers keep the birds warm. Down feathers are soft, small and fluffy. So here write down down. And D should be in capital letter because this one is the first letter of this sentence. So just keep this thing in your mind. Don't start from the small letter. Next one, insects have dash legs and dash Antony. Answer is insects have 6 legs. So write down here 6 and 2 Antony. How many Antony? 2. Do insects have? So write down this one. We have completed this exercise. In the next class, we will do the question answers of this chapter. What is the assignment for today? You have to learn the hard words of this chapter. So write down in your diaries, learn the hard words of chapter 9. This is your assignment. Write down, learn the hard words of chapter 9. In the next class, I'll ask some questions to you. And now, it's time to wrap up the session. Thank you. See you in the next class. Have a good one.